Welcome to our channel Desire and Passion.
In this video, we are going to discuss about matter and its states in detail. Matter. The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. People, houses, the earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, air, almost everything. Is there anything around us that is not matter? Yes, light, heat, and sound are not matter. How do we know what is matter and what is not matter? Anything made of matter occupies, takes up space, and has weight. Light, heat, and sound do not take up space or have weight. You and all the people around you, books, tables, food, water, all occupy space and have weight. Even air occupies space and has weight. You know that air occupies space. That is how balloons become bigger when you blow air into them. States of matter. Most things around us are matter. Matter has three forms or states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Some of these things like ice, metals, glass, paper, and cloth are solids. Some like water, oil, milk, and petrol are liquids. And some like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are gases. Matter behaves differently in its three states. Solids. Solid has a fixed shape. Example, chair, table, pen, etc. You cannot change its shape unless you break it. Nor can you stretch or compress, squeeze most solids to make them occupy more or less space. The space something occupies is its volume. So, a solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. You can squeeze solids that have air spaces in them. You may wonder how we can squeeze cotton or sponge. Such solids have a lot of spaces filled with air. When you squeeze cotton or sponge, you actually squeeze out air from them. Liquids. The shape of a liquid is not fixed, though its volume is fixed. Example, if you pour juice from a 1 liter bottle into glasses, its shape will change, but its volume will still be 1 liter. You can pour the juice back into the bottle and check. Liquids and solids behave differently in other ways too. Liquids flow. Solids do not flow. They stay right where they are unless you move them. Liquids cannot be compressed. Draw some water into a syringe. Press the mouth of the syringe hard against your palm and try to push the plunger. You will not be able to because liquids cannot be compressed. Gases. Most gases are colorless, so it is difficult to see how they behave. You know that gases do not have a fixed shape. You can fill air into a balloon of any shape. Things that do not have a fixed shape and can flow are called fluids. Gases and liquids are fluids. Unlike liquids, gases do not have a fixed volume. They spread out and fill up all the space they get. See an example. Watch smoke from a burning incense stick and see how it spreads out. You will also be able to smell it in the next room because the gases spread that far. Gases can be compressed into a small space. Let us see an example. Draw air into a syringe. Press the mouth of the syringe hard against your palm and push the plunger. You will be able to compress the air inside the syringe into a small space. The different states of matter are useful. Solids are hard and keep their shape, so we can use them to make things. Liquids flow, so it is easy to transfer them from one thing to another. Since gases change shape, tires can change shape as they go over bumps. Next, we are going to discuss about how matter can change its states. Matter changes states from solid to liquid, liquid to solid, and liquid to gaseous. First, we are going to discuss about the change of state from solid to liquid. Matter can change form or change from one state into another. Ice melts when you take it out of the freezer. The warmth of the room is enough to change it from the solid to the liquid state. Wax melts when you light a candle. Even metals melt when they are heated strongly enough. In general, solids change into liquids when they are heated. Different solids need to be heated to different degrees. Next, the change of state from liquid to solid. Molten wax and metals become solid when they cool. But you have to put water into the freezer to change it into solid ice. Other liquids like oil would also become solid if you cool them enough. So, liquids change into solids when they are cool, but all of them do not have to be cooled to the same extent. The state of change from liquid to gaseous. You know that water changes into water vapor when it is heated. The changing of water or any liquid into its gaseous state is called evaporation. Actually, water evaporates all the time, even without being heated. That is how clothes dry indoors. But they dry faster in sunshine because of the sun's warmth. When you heat water, it evaporates faster, and when it boils, it evaporates the fastest. Some liquids like petrol and perfumes evaporate even more readily than water. The smell you get at petrol pumps is the smell of petrol vapor. Why do we call the gaseous form of water vapor and not gas? The gaseous form of things like water and petrol, which are ordinarily liquid, are called vapor. We use the word gas for things like oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are normally in the gaseous state. Next, the change of state from gaseous to liquid. When a vapor cools, it changes into its liquid form. The changing of a vapor to its liquid form is called condensation. Clouds form when water vapor condenses high up in the air. Mist and fog form when water vapor condenses closer to the ground. And dew forms when water vapor condenses on leaves, flowers, or other things on the ground. Dew, fog, and clouds are examples of condensation in nature. Do gases like oxygen and nitrogen also become liquids when they are cool? Yes, they do, but they have to be cooled a lot. Change of state is useful. Solids melt, so they can be shaped into different things. Gas is stored in thick-walled cylinders as a liquid. Otherwise, it would take too much space.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe.